Welcome. Today we will learn the difference between used to and past simple. We use used to talk about habits in the past, things that don't happen anymore. Example. I used to ride my bike to school. The past simple is used for one-time actions in the past. Example. I rode my bike yesterday. Used to equals repeated habit. Past simple equals one-time action. Let's try one. Q1. She, blank, used to, ate, dinner at 8. Think for 3 seconds. Correct. She used to eat dinner at 8. Q2. He, blank, used to, traveled, to Nablus last Friday. Pause. Correct. He traveled to Nablus last Friday. Used to equals habit and past simple equals action. Great job. Now write 2 sentences. One with used to and one with past simple. See you next time. Smile.